Hi guys, Piotr here, this is LiteFinance Global YouTube channel, and to be honest with you and to be on a right way with you, that's not crypto chart. Guys, that's the QE 1, 2, 3, 4 and infinity when it comes to the US stocks. That's the monthly chart of the Nasdaq, and very strong close, right? What is important, guys, here? Well, the very important thing here is what we have to take into the consideration when we are talking about the monthly chart. The thing over here, that's the first month of the new quarter, right? Then what we have to take into consideration the previous quarter, and the previous quarter when we are discussing is here, right? That's the previous quarter. So that was the entry of the previous quarter, and that was the close of the previous quarter. So meaning that the candle or quarter candle was like this. Now the important thing is that we broke through. All right, something unusual, to be honest with you, or maybe usual. So we are looking for something like this, right? What has happened here? That could be the case, right? So infinity to the upside. Now, of course, that's what we have to understand, that the market prices, they have nothing to do with the real economic situation, right? Higher prices when it comes to the inflation, right? Everything is showing that we shouldn't be here when it comes to stock. We rather should be here, right? But again, doesn't matter. For those guys with the money from the Fed, they do whatever they want to do. All right, that's the key point. So let's place few lines when it comes to the monthly chart, because it's going to be very, very interesting. So we broke through the monthly resistance, meaning right now shallow pullback, rally, right? In case of the deeper pullback, the next support demand 14,800, right? And then again untested zone 14,000, right? Now when it comes to the supply, it's untested zone, guys. I'm so sorry. Let's get back to weekly. Now we've seen the week Amazon, especially Amazon earning report, because Apple been weak but not that weak. Amazon been very, very weak. So if I'm going to see weekly close below that red line 15,500, 15,600, then immediately I'm going to try to trade lower levels. How low can we go? Well, not that low. We have swing high over here, and we are talking about the levels close to 15,300, right? So that's going to be my first target. If we are going to break through, my next target is this swing low over here. In that case, taking into the consideration, that should be black, that should be blue, I'm going to target this particular zone. Why so important? Because it's working on both monthly and weekly charts. So if we are going to break through to the downside, when it comes to the bear market, we are immediately going to reach this level. That's how I see the things. And then of course, levels close to 14,000 could be in or on the card. Okay, but what if you are a strong bull, infinitive bull? How high can we go? Very easy. Very easy. Let's have a look and check this pullback, right? Even with the closing prices. Okay, and let's make the measure through even the breakout candle over here. Based on that, monthly, weekly, daily, whatever you wanna call it, is here. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are a bull on the Nasdaq weekly chart, your target is, let's have a look what we have, 16,300. All right, so we were discussing monthly and the weekly Nasdaq charts. Let's have a look what we have when it comes to S&P 500. Even better, right? Even better. Very similar situation when it comes to the monthly chart. Monthly chart, red color. Let's have a look what we have. We have two zones of possible demand, 4,530 and then again 4,330. Let's get back a little bit lower because the upside target is, well, easy. That's your possible upside target, right? Okay, looks nice. Now, what about the downside target? Well, the things are gonna to be ugly below 4,300. Then we might easily open 3,875. Let's have a look what you have on a weekly chart. It's not going to be or shouldn't be surprise for you where we are and what's the possible target to the upside based on the monthly, weekly. If we are going to go lower with the stops, let's have a look what we have when it comes to the delta, omega, whatever you wanna call it, when it comes to the options. Monthly, weekly charts, both of them are showing us 3,800 as a possible demand zone when it comes to the S&P 500. Don't forget, you don't want to buy on the rising market, you don't want to sell on the falling market. And with that being said, guys, I wish you great next trading day. Take into the consideration the levels we're discussing and then do your own research and follow what you see. It was my pleasure to be with you. See you around, take care and goodbye.